Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. To start, AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. This means that computers are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. For instance, AI is behind technologies such as speech recognition on your smartphones, image processing in apps like Instagram, and decision-making systems like self-driving cars. AI is important because it powers so many tools and technologies we use every day, making our lives easier and more efficient. One popular AI program you might have heard of is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a language model designed to understand and generate human-like text. Think of it as a super advanced chatbot that can hold conversations, answer questions, and even create content. It works by being trained on massive amounts of text data, allowing it to predict and create responses that are coherent and meaningful. AI tools like ChatGPT have many real-life applications. In education, they can help explain complex topics or assist with homework. Imagine having a virtual tutor available 24/7. In business, AI is used to write emails, generate reports, and even handle customer support through chatbots. And in the world of creativity, AI helps writers craft stories, poems, or even movie scripts. It can also support design and content creation by generating ideas or refining drafts. There are several benefits to using AI programs. First, they improve efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, saving us valuable time. Second, they enhance accessibility by making information easier to find and understand. Finally, AI tools can act as personalized learning aids, tailoring support to meet individual needs, which is especially useful for students like you. Of course, AI isn't perfect. One challenge is accuracy. AI might sometimes provide incorrect or outdated information. Another is bias. Since AI learns from data created by humans, it can unintentionally reflect societal biases. Ethical concerns also arise, such as the misuse of AI to spread misinformation. Lastly, while AI is great at following patterns, it lacks true creativity and originality, which are unique to humans. Because of these challenges, it's important to use AI responsibly. Always verify the information it provides, especially for assignments or projects. Avoid plagiarism by not simply copying what AI generates, understand and rephrase it instead. And remember to protect your privacy by not sharing personal or sensitive data with AI tools. Looking ahead, AI is set to transform industries like healthcare, education, and entertainment. For example, AI is already helping doctors analyze medical data and teachers personalize learning experiences for students. As the next generation, you have the opportunity to shape how AI is developed and used responsibly. Who knows? Some of you might even become AI innovators. Now, let's try an activity. Think of a question or topic and ask ChatGPT about it. For example, you could ask, "How do volcanoes work?" or request it to write a short poem about friendship. After you've tried it, let's discuss how accurate and useful the responses were. To wrap up, remember that AI programs like ChatGPT are powerful tools for learning and productivity. They have strengths and limitations, so it's important to use them wisely. With AI, the future is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to use it ethically and creatively. That brings us to the end of the presentation. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have about AI. Have you used tools like ChatGPT before? What was your experience? Let's discuss.